Aging fine. 10. Healthy meal planning tips for better health and nutrition. Want to age like a fine wine? Get better with time, not wither away like a soggy salad? Listen up. 10 healthy meal planning tips to keep you in top shape. Make smart choices, fuel your body right, and feel fantastic. For all our viewers in the USA, tired of feeling sluggish? Take back control of your health, one meal at a time. Ditch the takeout menus, and embrace a healthier you. It's time to get cooking. First up, we tackle the foundation of healthy eating planning. Planning your meals in advance is like having a game plan before walking into a high-pressure kitchen. It's the difference between a chaotic dinner rush and a smooth, successful service. Make conscious decisions about what you're putting into your body. No more last-minute greasy takeaways. With a plan, you've got healthy, delicious options ready to go. Trust me, a little planning goes a long way. It'll save you time, money, and frustration. Get those notepads out and let's start planning. Listen up, you don't want to eat the same bland chicken and broccoli every single day, do you? A bland palate is a sign of a boring life. Add excitement with a rainbow of colors on your plate. Vibrant fruits, crisp vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats packed with vitamins and minerals. Experiment with new ingredients, try different cuisines, and spice things up. A healthy diet doesn't have to be boring. Nourish your body with diverse, delicious foods. We're ditching the processed junk and embracing the goodness of whole, unprocessed foods. Think fresh fruits and vegetables bursting with flavor, lean proteins that fuel your muscles, and whole grains that keep you feeling full and satisfied. Processed foods are full of hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that do nothing for your body. They're like those contestants who rely on gimmicks instead of actual cooking skills. All show and no substance. Choose real, wholesome ingredients that you can pronounce and recognize. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Portion Control. It's not about deprivation, you greedy animals. Now calm down. Portion control isn't about starving yourself, you greedy lot. It's about finding a balance, respecting your body, and fueling it with the right amount of food. Think of it like this. You wouldn't overfill a pan with oil and expect it to cook properly, would you? The same goes for your stomach. Overloading your plate leads to overeating, sluggishness, and unwanted weight gain. Listen to your body's cues, be mindful of your hunger and fullness, and choose sensible portions. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. Chapter 5. Hydrate or Dehydrate. The choice is yours. Water, water, water. It's the elixir of life, the key to optimal performance, and yet so many of you are walking around dehydrated, looking like wilted lettuce. Water flushes out toxins, keeps your skin glowing, and helps your body function at its best. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and don't wait until you're parched to reach for your water bottle. Ditch the sugary drinks and make water your go-to beverage. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Chapter 6. Processed Foods, the enemy of good health. Listen up, you lot. Processed foods are the bane of my existence. They're like those amateur cooks who rely on pre-made sauces and shortcuts, utterly disgraceful. These Frankenfoods are loaded with unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial ingredients that wreak havoc on your body. They leave you feeling sluggish, bloated, and craving more junk. It's time to kick those processed nasties to the curb and embrace real, whole foods that nourish your body from the inside out. Chapter 7. Macronutrients. It's all about balance, you donkey. Let's get one thing straight. Carbs are not the enemy. Neither are fats or proteins. The key to a healthy diet is finding the right balance of macronutrients for your body's needs. Think of it like a 3-legged stool. You need all 3 legs, carbs, fats, and protein, to keep it stable. Carbohydrates provide energy, proteins build and repair tissues, and fats support hormone production. Work with a registered dietitian or nutritionist to determine the right balance for your individual needs and goals. Chapter 8. Healthy fats, fueling your brain and body. Don't let the word fat scare you, you numpties. Healthy fats are essential for brain function, hormone production, and overall well-being. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. These are the good guys that keep your body running smoothly. They're like the sous chefs of your body, working behind the scenes to make sure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet and experience the difference. Chapter 9. Breakfast. The most important meal of the day. Listen up, you lazy sods. Skipping breakfast is like starting a marathon on an empty tank, a recipe for disaster. Breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, fuels your brain, and sets you up for a productive day. Think of it as your morning coffee, but instead of caffeine, it's packed with nutrients your body craves. Make time for a nutritious breakfast every morning, even if it's just a quick smoothie or a piece of fruit and some nuts. Chapter 10. Monitor your progress. Stay on track like a chef on a mission. Cooking up a healthy lifestyle isn't a one-time gig, it's an ongoing process that requires constant attention. Just like a chef monitors the progress of a dish, you need to keep track of your eating habits to stay on course. Keep a food journal, track your calories and macros, and monitor your progress. This will help you identify any areas where you might be slipping up and make necessary adjustments. Remember, consistency is key. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and you'll achieve your health and wellness goals in no time. Outro, you've got this. There you have it, you lot. 10 simple tips to transform your eating habits and elevate your health. Eating healthy is about nourishing your body with delicious, wholesome foods. Like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition advice. Let's create a community of food lovers. A healthy outside starts from the inside. Stay healthy, stay happy. Now go on, get out of my kitchen and start cooking up a storm.